We are currently in the Sonmarg. You can see these are the students from the different parts of the country who are currently undergoing the training of skiing. What are the courses which are being conducted by the Jawahar Institute of Mountaineering and Winter Sports here in the Sonmarg? We have with us the principal, a well-known adventure sportsman as well as the mountaineer of the country, Colonel Hemant Chandra Singh ji. Sir, kindly let me know about this institute because you are conducting these courses here recently. Sonmarg has been now thrown open all along the via, and that will boost the winter sports and skiing here also. Currently, what kind of courses you are giving to the students here, and the students are either from the Jammu and Kashmir or from the all parts of the country?
Okay. Actually, we run as Jawahar Institute of Mountaineering and Winter Sports. As the name itself says, we are running basically mountain series of courses and the winter series of courses. So in mountain series of courses, we basically run mountain basic course, mountain advanced course, method of instruction, search and rescue, and mountaineering expeditions. And in the winter series of courses, we are running ski series of courses: basic skiing course, intermediate skiing course, advanced skiing course, method of instruction in skiing, basic snowboarding course, and adventure touring in snowbound terrain. And these students are basically from all parts of the country, but there is a special concession which is there for Jammu and Kashmir here, where we are charging approximately 20% less in comparison to the other students who are coming for participation in these courses.
Sir, we have seen that recently the tunnel of the Sonmarg has been thrown open. As a well-known person of this place, how much that will boost the tourism and the snow skiing here in the Sonmarg, the opening of that Sonmarg tunnel?
Sonmarg has got a very high potential since beginning, but if you see that most of the skiing remain concentrated to Gulmarg for a very long duration because of various reasons. But for last 4-5 years, although we are the first one who are the pioneers for opening skiing here, and now with us we see that lot of hotels has come up, staying places has come up, and then there was a problem when this tunnel was not there. What used to happen that the area from Gagangir up to Sonmarg, it is avalanche prone. So most of the time when heavy snowfall takes place, this gets blocked, and because of that, lot of problems comes. Now since this this tunnel has come up, which is approximately 6 kilometers here, been inaugurated recently by the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. So now with this, I think this place now gets totally open for everyone, and now it will definitely enhance or boost the potential of skiing and winter sports to a great extent, maybe 60% than what it was earlier.
मैंने काफ़ी समय से सोचा था, मेरे दोस्त हैं जो डिफेंस में हैं, वो इस तरीके के कोर्स करते रहते हैं, और मैंने इनका इंस्टाग्राम पे देखा था, वेबसाइट विजिट करी थी, तो मुझे इंटरेस्टिंग लगा, इसलिए मैं आई।
तो अभी कितने दिन हुए और कैसा अभी तक आपका अनुभव है?
आज तीसरा दिन है। अनुभव अच्छा है, मिक्स्ड है एक्चुअली। मुझे लगता है जो भी आते हैं थोड़ा सा उन्हें स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग लेके आना चाहिए। मैंने उतना ध्यान नहीं दिया, लेकिन ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस फिर भी अच्छा है क्योंकि इंस्ट्रक्टर्स बहुत अच्छे हैं, इंडिविजुअली सब पे बहुत ध्यान देते हैं, तो आप कैसा भी करो मोटिवेट बहुत करते हैं।
क्या इससे फ़ायदा होता है ये सीखने से?
मेरे लिए मुझे लगता है कि फिज़िकल एक्टिविटी या फिटनेस तो डेफिनेटली है, और मेंटली भी आपको ये स्ट्रॉन्ग करता है, आपकी मेंटल लिमिट्स पुश करने में हेल्प करता है।